Golden Arrows head coach Mangoba Mngisi believes he has discovered a rare gem and isn't shy about making bold predictions. The veteran tactician has unveiled 17-year-old Philani Khumalo from the Midlands, hailing him as a prodigious talent capable of following in the footsteps of some South Africa's finest football experts. Those who were privileged to watch Dr. Khumalo in his heyday will recall that Kaizer Chiefs icon's dazzling skill and vision. Making his senior debut for Amakhosi at just 16, Khumalo went on to cement his place as one of the country's all-time greats. Now Mngqisi sees shades of that greatness in his young recruit with an added burst of pace. He said, "I've got a 17-year-old. You will love what you will see. And if he stays with Arrows for more than 3 seasons without going overseas, I will say something is wrong with my brain because he's a special player. He's an amazing talent, and for me that is interesting. And it's by coincidence that he's a Khumalo. He really reminds me of a faster Dr. Khumalo. He is an interesting player, and believe me, you will love what you will see." Mngqisi's confidence is not without precedent. In recent years, the Premier Soccer League has produced a wave of youngsters who have gone on to shine abroad, including Relebohile Mofokeng, Mfundo Vilakazi, Siyabonga Mabena, and the duo of Mohau Ngota and Shadrack Campbell. With the new Betway Premiership season around the corner, all eyes will be on Philani Khumalo, the teenager already drawing comparisons to a legend and carrying the hopes of becoming South Africa's next football expert. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.